Hello and welcome to a new video update. Here I will show you how to get a Google Maps API key because this changed a bit and I want to show you how to get this exactly. So go here in the Yelp-O-Matic plugin and click on this link. The Google API console will open for you. Now click on the menu, APIs and Services, Library, and here search for Google Maps. And this will be Maps JavaScript API. Click it and you have to click Enable. You have to enable the API. And after this is enabled, now you can go to Credentials and create a new API key and use it in the plugin. It will allow the plugin to embed maps using JavaScript to created posts. So this is all. I hope you enjoyed the Yelp-O-Matic plugin. Until next time, bye bye.